The Department of Justice engaged in discussions today, January 25, with Irene Khan, the United Nations Special Rapporteur on Freedom of Expression and Opinion, regarding the country's criminal justice system. During the meeting, attention was brought to the cases of media killings in the country that occurred during the current administration's term, including Renato Blanco, Percy Lapid, Chris Bondukin, Juan Humalon, and Federico Gempasao.
Mostly naman ang tanong niya dyan is yung paano talaga nagpa-function yung ating criminal justice system. No? So may mga clarification siyang nilinaw dyan at yun naman ay maayos nating nasagot. So it was explained to her na hindi nagtatapos doon. No? Kung hindi umakyat yung kaso sa korte at nasa level ng piskal ay hindi po natapos ang investigasyon doon o ang pagbibigay ng hustisya sa ating mga kapatid sa hanapbuhay na napaslang dahil ito ay ibabalik sa investigador para palakasin pa yung kaso.
The case of imprisoned journalist Francie May Cumpillo was also scrutinized.
At isang nga lang concern niya rito, para daw tumatagal yung proseso because she has been in prison for I think going 4 years now. Yun pa yung niya, yung question, yung concern niya na mapabilis yung trial ni Ms. Cumpillo. At kung siya ba ay nabibigyan ng sapat na pagkakataong, may presenta naman ang kanyang panig upang pasubalian ang anumang akusasyon sa kanya laban ng gobyerno.
The Department of Justice clarified that the Cumpillo case falls within the court's jurisdiction, emphasizing its independence, separation, and co-equality with the executive and legislative branches of the government. Therefore, the DOJ asserted that no interference can be made by any branch of government. According to the DOJ, the country exhibits a higher percentage of impunity concerning media killings, exceeding 50%, in contrast to the international community, where the rate is only 10%.
So, ang ibig sabihin lamang po niyan ay tumatakbo ang ating hustisya at lahat po ng mga nagkakasala ay nagkakaroon ng pagkakataon na sagutin ang kanilang mga nagawang kasalanan ayon sa pagtingin ng ating mga kapulisan o yung ating NBI at sa prosecution. At kung ito ang pagkakataon nila under the constitutional rights, under the Bill of Rights, na ipakita kung sila nga ay walang kasalanan ayon sa kanilang mga pahayag.